Good morning, world!
Good morning!
So, today, where are we?
So today we're going to explore Casela! Casela is situated on the west coast of Mauritius. It's one of the most popular leisure and attraction parks in Mauritius, offering a variety of fun and thrilling activities. It's definitely a must visit for those who have kids or are really into adventure. The entrance fee is about 22 euros per person for adults and 15 euros for children.
Like our best tradition, before starting our safari, we are going to taste the Mauritian pizza. And now it's time to taste our pizza. As you can see, it's full of cheese. As we add olive, Turkish bacon and chicken. Let's taste it.
Have a good pizza.
The dough is totally different than an Italian pizza, but it's good. It's not the Napoletan, okay? But it's good. And now it's time to taste the little samosa. Inside we can find curry potato. Let's taste with the sauce. This is strange, a camel in Mauritius.
One of the most thrilling activities offered by Casela is the walk with lions. But we were not brave enough to give it a try. How about you? Would you dare to do it? see me, but we actually on a quad, and unfortunately it's raining, and I don't know if we're going to see all the mammals here in the park. But even with the rain, it's so beautiful. You like it, Amor? Wonderful! Look here! Guys, we've just finished our 2 hours ride on the quad, and it was amazing, even though it rained a lot, and I think I will get sick soon. But we've been able to see some zebras and other animals too. So I hope you like our video and give us a thumb up.